Today's topic is implementation of queues by using linked lists. We already know that queue. A queue is a first in first out list. First in first out means the element which is inserted at first will be deleted at first. Such a list we called as a queue. In queues, all insertions will be done at one end called as rare, and all deletions will be done at another end called as friend. So we have for each element insertion, the rare is incremented by 1. For each element deletion, the front is incremented by 1. So such a list we called as a queue. There are different applications of queues. First in, first out CPU scheduling, first in, first out page replacement, and by BFS graph traversal. These are the different CPU scheduling algorithms. So we are performed so many operations on queues: add queue, delete queue, is full, is empty, and display. These are the different operations. Add queue is used to insert an element into the queues. In queues, all insertions will be done at rare. Delete queue method is used to delete an element from the queue. In delete queue, all deletions will be done at front. So actually there is no useful condition for implementation, linked list implementation of queues, because so while in the case of linked list we can insert any number of nodes, that's why there is no useful condition for linked list implementation. So the queue is empty. Yes, there will be a empty. Display is used to print all the elements of the queues. So these are the different, this is the algorithm as well as program. Now we go for implementation by using linked lists. Implementation of queues by using linked lists. So if we can implement the queues by using linked list also. In linked list implementation, we can always insert the elements at front. So the different operations that are performed on queues. So what are the different operations? The different operations that are performed on queues is, one is add queue, second delete queue, is empty. So we simply implement three modules. It's enough. Add queue, delete queue, and display. Add queue module is used to insert an element into the queue. Delete queue module is used to delete an element from the queue. So delete queue or DQ we called as DQ. Add queue or NQ we called as NQ. So display or print. These are the different operations that are performed on queues. So first we go for add queue or NQ. This module is used to insert an element into the queue. Add queue module is used to insert an element into the queues. In queues, all insertions will be done at rare. So we always insert the elements at rare. So such a list we called as add queue or NQ. Add queue or NQ is used to insert an element into the queues. So to insert, so we use add queue module or NQ module. So this module is used to insert an element into the queues. So we go for a diagrammatic way how to insert, then we can write the algorithm. So let us assume that this is the queue. This is the first position start. So this is the queue, already existing queue. Suppose I want to insert one node. Suppose this is the queue. Suppose queue after suppose I want to insert one more node, so then the queue is so this is the queue after insertion. Suppose we have the queue already 1, 2, 3. Suppose I want to insert 4. When number is inserted, the queue is so then how to add the queue? How to add element into the queue? So what is the procedure? What is the algorithm? Void add queue. Sorry, void queue add queue. Void add queue. So first of all, you have to allocate the storage by using temp equal to new node. When you write that space temp equal to new node, we can allocate the storage. After that, we can enter the value. Or you have to assign temp arrow number equal to. Then you have to check if start equal to null. If start equal to null, then it is the start. Start equal to temp arrow next equal to null, and the current equal to 10. If else, so which is same as insert n in linked list. So insert add queue is same as insert n into the linked list. So first of all, to insert a node at n in the linked list, first of all you have to allocate the storage, enter the number, Then if start equal to null, then make it is a start, and temp dot next equal to null, make it is a current. Otherwise, move to last node, current equal to start, while current arrow next not equal to null, current equal to current arrow next, current arrow next equal to temp, then temp dot next equal to null. So this is the module. So this is the module to this is the module. So first of all, you have to allocate the storage, enter the value. If start equal to null, make it as a start, and next is null, we make it as next equal to null. So it must be capital, and current equal to temp. Otherwise, we'll go for last node. How we can identify the last node? So while current dot next equal to null, that is the last node. Move to last node, then assign to current dot next equal to temp, and temp dot next equal to null. This is the process, which is same as insertion of insert n in a single linked list. Now we go for another is delete queue or DQ. This module is used to delete an element from the queue. In queues, all deletions will be done at the front. So the queue is empty when start is null. When start equal to null, then the queue is empty. This is the module to delete an element from the queue. Delete module, delete queue. Delete queue module is used to delete an element from the queue. In queues, all deletions will be done at front. We can delete elements from front. The queue is empty when start. We always delete the elements at front. The queue is empty when the queue is empty when start equal to null. That's we called as delete queue. Suppose this is the diagram. Suppose this is the start. Suppose this is the start. When I delete the element, So the queue is empty when start equal to null. So we go for algorithm void queue delete queue. So delete queue module is used to delete an element from the queue. So to delete an element from the queue, we use the delete queue module. So when we cannot, if start equal to null, see out queue is empty and start equal to null, queue is empty. Otherwise, we can delete current equal to start equal to current arrow next, delete current. So which is same as deletion of a node in a singly linked list, delete begin, which is same. So this is the module. So this is called as delete queue. Delete queue module is used to delete an element. Similarly, we have the display or print. This module is used to print the elements of the queue. This module is used to print the elements of the queue. The queue is empty when start is null. When start equal to null, then the queue is empty. Otherwise, the queue is not empty. So this is the module to print. So void queue display. If start equal to null, see out queue is empty. Else, so we can print the elements from first node current equal to start. While current not equal to null, see out current arrow number, current equal to current arrow next. So this is the module to delete an element from the display the elements of a queue. So these are the three modules by using linked list implementation of queues. We have the add queue, delete queue, and display. These are the three modules. Then we go for implementation of these queues by C++ program. We go for by using C++ how to implement these three. Include iostream.h, include onio.h, class node. First of all, you have to declare the node declaration. We write public int number node star next. These are the access node. Then you go for implement class queue. First of all, you have to node star start, star temp, star current. These are the 3 pointer variables. You have to write a constructor which is same as class name queue. Here we have to make start equal to null. Start equal to null. Then write the modules void add queue. Void add queue. Void delete queue. Void display. Void add queue, void delete queue, void display. These are the three modules. Void queue, add queue. Add queue module is used so to insert an element into the queue. So in order to insert, first of all, you have to allocate the storage. How you can allocate temp equal to new node? When you write the statement like this, the system will allocate the storage for the new. Then you have to enter. So you have to enter the number. After insertion of the number, check it whether it is already existed or not. If start equal to null, so this is the first node, make it as a start. Start equal to temp, current equal to temp, temp dot next equal to null. Else current equal to start while current not equal to null. Cout current arrow number so while current not equal to null, so while current equal to start, while current not equal to null, cout current arrow number, current equal to current dot text. This is the module. Insert end, no, sorry. Go for last node, current equal to current dot next. After that, current dot next equal to temp arrow next equal to. So this while current arrow next node, while current arrow next not equal to null, to go for last node, then you have to allocate the number. So this is the module. So first of all, you have to allocate the storage, enter the number. If start equal to null, to make it as a start, and temp dot next equal to null. Otherwise, you go for last node. How we can identify the last node? Current dot next equal to null, then it is the last node. Go to last node, then assign the current node to temp, and temp dot next equal to null. This is the add queue. Similarly, void queue. Delete. So this module is used to delete an element from the queue. If start equal to null, current equal to start while current equal to start equal to current arrow next, delete current. This is the module to delete an element from the queue. Suppose I want, which is same as single linked list. So add key is delete insert end, delete queue is delete begin. void q display. If start equal to null, out q is empty. If start equal to null, q is empty. Otherwise, we can print the elements. URR equal to start. While current not equal to where in that? Hello, Ramaram. చెప్పు ఇప్పుడా ఇప్పుడే కావాలి అర్జెంట్ కావాలా పెడతా అంటే క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను అందుకంటే లేదు 10 నిమిషాలు ఎమ్మటే చేస్తా current not equal to null. Out current arrow number. So this is the module. So add q, delete q, and display. Add q is used to add, delete q is used to delete, and the display module is used to print the elements of the thing. Then we go for main module, void main. Q obj int ch choice. So we write the program menu driven. So menu driven programming. CLR SCR. First I will clear the screen. First of all, we write the modules what are we are implementing. One is add q. So we write it one statement also, one add q slash n, to delete q slash n, 3 display slash n, 4 exit. Add q, delete q, add q, delete q, display, and exit. We instead of that, it is necessary to write like this. Add q. I'll write like this, no problem. Delete q, say out 3, display, or exit. So add q, delete q, display, and exit. Say out. Enter your choice. So we have the add q, delete q, display, and exit. So enter your choice. If choice equal to 1, we add q. So object dot add q. Then object dot display. then case 2, object dot delete queue, object dot display, case 3, object dot display, so this is the module. So enter your choice. One add queue, suppose 1. Enter number, suppose 1. The queue is 1. Yes. Again 1, 2. The queue is 1 and 2. Suppose 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Suppose 1, again 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, we can add elements into the queue. Suppose 2. So the deleted number is 1. When 1 is deleted, the queue is 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I want to delete one more number, 2. Then the deleted number is 2. So then the queue is 3, 4, 5. Suppose I want to delete one more element, 2. So the 3 is deleted, then the queue is 4 and 5. So like this, suppose I want to insert 1 again, 4, 5, 6. I want to insert 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this, we can add 2. 4 is deleted, like this. 3. This is the 5, 6, 7. Suppose this is the 4. We can exit from the program. This is the program we add. So which is same as same ante single linked list lo unna insert and delete begin kalipte saripothundi. Single linked list lo unna 3 modules: insert and delete begin display kalipte queues. అదే సింగిల్ లింక్ లిస్ట్ లో ఉన్న ఇన్సర్ట్ అండ్ డిలీట్ అండ్ ఇన్సర్ట్ బిగిన్ డిలీట్ బిగిన్ కలిపితే స్టాట్స్. అందుకని సింగిల్ లింక్ లిస్ట్ నేర్చుకుంటే ఇంకా అంతా వస్తుంది అని చెప్పేదానికి మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఇదివరకు చెప్పాను నేను. సో ఇలా మనం ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే క్యూస్ లో మనం ఏ విధంగా ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలి ఏమిటి అనే దానికి ఎలా ఉంది. ఇక్కడ మీకు చూడండి, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను నేను, ఒకరి నెంబర్తో ఒకరు లాగిన్ అవటాలి పిచ్చి పనులు. నేను ఎందుకంటే మీరు 3 సంవత్సరాలు నా దగ్గర ఉంటారు, వాడు ఏంటి అనేది తర్వాత నేను కాలేజీకి వస్తే వాడి గురించి అంతా తెలుసుకుంటాను. ఆల్రెడీ సుబ్బారావు సార్ చెప్పాయి ఏ ఎదవలు ఏంటి, పలానా నెంబర్లు కంప్లైంట్ వస్తున్నాయి ఏంటి, ఆ ఎదవ ఎవడు అని. సో మీరేదో నాకు తెలియదు అనుకోకండి. మీ ఆల్రెడీ మీ దగ్గర సుబ్బారావు సార్ దగ్గర ఉన్న ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ని బట్టి ప్లస్ ఇంకా మీ మీద కంప్లీట్ ఎంక్వైరీ పెడతాను. వాడు ఎదవా అని తెలిసాడు అంటే ఇంకా కాలేజీలో పాస్ అవడు, ముందే చెప్తున్నాను. అప్పుడు ఇంకా మీ తోక మీకే కట్ అవుతుంది. ఎదవ పనులు చేయవాకండి. ఎదవ పనులు మీరు సీనియర్స్ని కనుక్కోండి, కేవీఆర్ సార్ కోపడితే ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది. మీ తోక కట్ చేసి పెడతాను. పిచ్చి పిచ్చి పనులు చేయకండి. ఒకటి నెంబర్లో ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఆన్లైన్లో ఉంటున్నాంలే అని మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన పనులు చేశారు అంటే తోక కట్ చేసి చేతిలో పెడతాను అందరికీ. ఒకసారి తోక కట్ నా దృష్టికి వచ్చాడు అంటే ఇంక వాడు కాలేజీలో పాస్ అవడు. ఇప్పటికి కూడా వస్తున్నారు 15వ సంవత్సరం 2015 బ్యాచ్ ఇంకా ఇప్పటికి ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాస్తా ఉన్నారు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు పాస్ అవ్వరు. సో అలా మార్కులేసి ఇప్పుడు ఉంది డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్ ల్యాబ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉందిరా, మీకు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇచ్చి ల్యాబ్ రన్ చేయమంటే రన్ అవుతుందా? రన్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి ఫెయిల్ చేసి పక్కన గుర్తు ఎక్కడ పెడతా. ఇంకా నువ్వు పాస్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు జీవితకాలంలో పాస్ అవ్వవు, నా దగ్గర ఉంటావు. ఇలా చేసి పెడతాను మీకు. తోక కట్ చేసి చేతిలో పెడతాను, పిచ్చి పనులు చేయవాకండి. ఇంకో క్లాసులు. ఓకే బాయ్. మా నెంబర్ నేను నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకున్నాను. నేను కాలేజ్ తెరిచిన తర్వాత వాడి సంగతి తెలుస్తాను. వాడేదో నేను రాలేదు సార్ నా బదులు ఇంకోరు వచ్చారని చెప్తున్నాడు, కానీ సో దాని యొక్క డీటెయిల్స్ కనుక్కుంటాను. వాడి ఎదవాన్ని తెలిసిందనుకో, ఆల్రెడీ సుబ్బారావు సారి కంప్లైంట్ పెట్టాను పలానా ఎదవ ఎట్టుంటాడు అనేది. వాడే కన్ఫామ్ అనుకోండి, వాడిని తోక కట్ చేసి చేతిలో పెడతాను. సరేనా? ఓకే.